In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Roblox on the Microsoft Store. Whether you're a seasoned Roblox player or new to the platform, keeping your game updated is essential for enjoying the latest features and improvements. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. You might find its icon on your taskbar, or you can search for it using the search bar in the Start menu. Once you've opened the store, you'll be greeted with a homepage filled with various apps and games. But our focus today is on ensuring Roblox is up to date. Now look towards the bottom left corner of the store window for an icon labelled Library. Go ahead and click on it. The library section of the Microsoft Store is crucial because it serves as your personalized collection, showcasing all the apps and games you have installed. It also manages updates for those applications, which is precisely what you need to update Roblox. In the library, you'll see a list of all the apps that are currently installed on your device. What we're searching for here is Roblox, so scroll through your list or use the search function to locate it quickly. Once Roblox appears on your screen, you'll notice an update button next to it, provided there's an update available. If you see this button, simply click on it to begin downloading and installing the latest version of Roblox. Updating might take a few moments depending on your internet connection and the size of the update. During this time, it's a good idea not to close the Microsoft Store, as doing so might interrupt the update process. But don't worry, just give it a little time to complete. Once the update is finished, you should be able to launch Roblox directly from the store or find its shortcut on your desktop or start menu. Opening the freshly updated version will provide you with the newest features and enhancements that the Roblox development team has prepared. I hope this guide has made the process straightforward for you. If you run into any issues, consider checking your internet connection or restarting your computer before attempting the update again. Regular updates ensure a smoother, more enjoyable Roblox experience, so keeping up with them is definitely worth it. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative guides and tips. Catch you in the next one.